Hello, good morning guys. In this video I will tell you what is the plum concrete, how to do plum concrete on site, what is the advantage of plum concrete and disadvantage the plum concrete. Okay, so let's start the video. As you guys see in this video, in my side the middle area there is a tunnel is coming. Okay, tunnel level is, the tunnel top level is 1.2. So first we are doing the 3.5 meter height to do plum concrete on this area. After that my tunnel raft work started. Okay, so my topic is what is plum concrete. So you know, as the name is suggested, plum means stone. Okay, so stone plus concrete, the mixture of stone plus concrete is called plum concrete. Okay, but you guys ask, in concrete we also use the aggregate. Aggregate is a type of stone, but I will tell you the aggregate size is 20 to 30 mm, but in plum concrete we use that stone. The stone size is 200 to 300 mm, is a very big than aggregate size. That's why we call that plum concrete. Okay, so how we are making plum concrete? So is no, if RMC plant we can't use the 200 mm to 300 size of boulder, we can't use. That's why we make concrete and laying a concrete. After that put stone in the top layer of the concrete. After that we doing the concrete. Okay, so is layering process doing is called plum concrete. You guys ask what is the grade of concrete we using. So the grade of concrete as per decide your structure engineer. First in this my project I use the M15 grade of concrete. Okay, in my site. So I use 60% concrete and 40% boulders stone. So it's mixture of called plum concrete. Okay, so I will tell you what is the advantage and disadvantage of the plum concrete. First advantage is a cost effective. It reduce our PCC cost. Efficient use of material means, in my side if there is any blasting stoning work, there is a lot of stone big size we can't use, but if we are doing the plum concrete we use that material. A third advantage is a good load distribution. In plum concrete load distribution is very good. Environmental benefit, we use less cement, so it is a benefit environmental. What is the disadvantage of it? The plum concrete is, we need, first disadvantage, we need skilled